In this video, I'll show you how to update all your iPhone apps at once with just 2 taps. No more updating apps one by one. Launch the App Store app on your iPhone. You'll see the familiar blue icon with a white A made of sticks. Once it opens, you'll be on the Today tab by default. Look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the App Store and tap it. This opens your account page where you can manage all your app downloads and updates. Scroll down until you see the upcoming automatic updates section. Here you'll see all the apps that have pending updates along with their version numbers and update descriptions. At the top right of the available update section, you'll see Update All in blue text. Tap this button and all your apps will begin updating simultaneously. You'll see download progress circles next to each app. You can watch the updates progress or close the App Store. They'll continue downloading in the background. Your apps will update automatically and you'll get notifications when they're complete. And that's it. You've just updated all your apps in one single tap.